भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। विद्यार्थी परिषद जिंदाबाद, जिंदाबाद, जिंदाबाद। विद्यार्थी परिषद जिंदाबाद, जिंदाबाद, जिंदाबाद। नमस्ते साथियों, जैसा कि अभी हम वाइस चांसलर सर और प्रोवीसी और डीएसडब्ल्यू और डिप्टी डब्ल्यू से मिलके आए हैं। अभी हमने हमारी जो मेजर डिमांड थी टोटल 19 डिमांड हमने उनके सामने रखी थी और वीसी सर ने हमें एश्योर किया है कि वो मोस्टली जो हमारी डिमांड है वो विद इन 1 वीक और विद इन 2 वीक को पूरा करने जा रहे हैं। हमारी जो पहली डिमांड थी अपग्रेडेशन हेल्थ सेंटर, हमने उनको सारा कुछ जो भी बताया कि किस तरह से बेड की कमी होने के कारण और जो भी रेफरल मिलता है स्टूडेंट को, तो वीसी सर ने हमें एश्योर किया है कि वो नेक्स्ट वीक में सीएमओ मैडम के साथ मीटिंग बिठा के और इन इशू को सोल्व करेंगे। और हमारा जो भी सेकंड था आईओई
regarding IOE for the faculties, but Vice Chancellor has assured that the students who has having good academic background, if they can publish their papers in a good journal, means they will also get the funding from the university, around 15,000 or 20,000. So university assured that, and university is ready to organize a webinar on how students are being benefited through the Institute of Eminence funding. And next is about the renovation of hostels and roads. They said that they are already in work regarding that, and the roads in the public areas like in the GOPS, students canteen, all this will get done as soon as possible. That's what they said. And regarding opening all the canteens, they said that the GOPS, except GOPS, all the canteens in the campus will be opened as soon as possible. Even SLS canteen, SSB canteen, everything will be functional as soon as possible. And we have suggested to start a new canteen in Zakir Hussain Center and Amenity Center. Already they are in process of that, and they are calling for a tender like the hotels like Udupi or some other restaurants which are make in India, something like that. And new canteens will be started in the university premises. And next is regarding the sanitary napkin machines in the public places. They said that at least 2 or 3 sanitary napkin machines will be installed in the areas like in some departments or library or reading rooms. So they assured that it will be done. And regarding the chief warden's attitude, we have said regarding the chief warden's arrogant nature towards the students, and as all of us know, no hostel wardens will be available in the hostels. So Vice Chancellor is calling for a meeting of all the hostel wardens, and he assured that wardens will be available at least for 1 hour or at least for 30 minutes in a day to address the students' issue. And they said that in case if any students face some difficulties to talk with the chief warden directly, you can directly talk with the DSW or some other authorities, the issue will be resolved. Okay, so they have assured that. And the other thing is audit regarding the purchase of sanitizers. They said that it will be transparent soon. They will release what are the things they have purchased, how much money they spend and all. And next thing is regarding the insurance amount. Our demand was to increase the insurance amount. Actually, university administration, DSW was there, even Vice Chancellor assured that there is a amount called buffer amount. If any students are facing some severe health issues, they will extend the support of around 3 lakhs or even 10 lakhs university will give to those students who suffer. Actually, this is a success of ABEP that we have pressurized the admin to assure us to utilize this buffer amount for the students' aid. And the other thing is regarding the physically challenged students, university has said that within 1 month the university will be physically handicapped friendly. 100% tactile paths will be constructed across the campus so that they will not face any difficulties while walking. And there will be some staff for taking care of physically handicapped students in all the hostels. And the next thing is about the illegal encroachment. In the East Campus area, there is an illegal encroachment soon it will happen. They said Pro-VC has assured that they will order the Telangana police to take over all the vehicles from there, and ABVP HCU has proposed to establish an building there. Actually, we have proposed the university. Okay, it's better, instead of getting encroached, let us build some buildings there innovatively. And Vice Chancellor has assured that in the East Campus, on the way to East Campus area, they will construct a new building as soon as possible. Already they are planning for that. This is done. And regarding convocation, as I have mentioned about the discrepancies in that 200 rupee ka, in original degree certificate, he will call the CE immediately to solve the issue. So these all are the updates we have got till this time. Actually, I think everyone is happy with this positive energy. After a couple of months, ABVP is holding a good protest, and we have succeeded in pressurizing the administration, bend their knees. This autocratic administration has bent their knees in front of the responsible student organization ABVP. Actually, this is a success which not ABVP has given to the university, the whole students community has given to the university. We are thanking the entire student community, faculty community, everyone who has stood with us, who are supporting us and expecting the support through our future journey also. Thank you.
बाकी भी जो भी एकेडमिक रिलेटेड जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स थी हर डिपार्टमेंट की, चाहे मैथमेटिक्स डिपार्टमेंट हो, ऑप्टोमेट्री डिपार्टमेंट हो, और वाइस चांसलर ने हमें एश्योर किया है कि ऑप्टोमेट्री मेडिकल साइंस डिपार्टमेंट से और मैथमेटिक्स डिपार्टमेंट से दोनों डीन से वो इसी वीक मीटिंग करके और जो भी एकेडमिक जो भी प्रॉब्लम है वो उनको सही करेंगे. और मैं पूरी स्टूडेंट कम्युनिटी को ये बता देना चाहता हूँ कि अखिल भारतीय विद्यार्थी परिषद हर समय छात्र हितों के लिए खड़ा है. आप हमें 24/7 हम हमेशा छात्र हितों के लिए यहाँ लड़ते हैं. हम बाकी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए झूठे वादे ना करते हुए हम जो भी स्टूडेंट के रियल मुद्दे हैं उनको उठाते हैं, ऐसे रहेंगे. और मैं सारे छात्र समुदाय का बहुत ही हार्दिक अभिनंदन करता हूं और धन्यवाद.
छात्र एकता जिंदाबाद
जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद
छात्र एकता जिंदाबाद
जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद
एबीवीपी जिंदाबाद
जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद
एबीवीपी जिंदाबाद
जिंदाबाद